how to make real money while playing Monopoly Go. So I'm going to explain how this works and whether or not that is possible. So if you just play the game normally, you go around the board, you get some dice, you get some cards. For example, here I need to open up this pack. Boom, we get some cards. Now what happens if we get duplicates of these cards? If we get duplicates of the same card, then you can give them to friends. And how this works and what some people do, they will sell their duplicate cards. So for example, there are specific websites. I don't condone using those websites, but there are some specific websites that let you sell your duplicate cards for specific amounts of money. And what they do basically is any duplicates that they may have, they will put up on said websites and set a price depending on the current market. And also what you can do is there are some applications that pay you to get to a specific board. So back in the day, there used to be an app that would pay you if you get up to board 100 in Monopoly Go. You could do that on Swagbucks. So basically there was a promotion on Swagbucks, and if you get up to board 100, like I said, then you will get rewarded, or would get rewarded, about $50. So those are the ways that I know people use to make money using Monopoly Go. I hope this helps you in a way. Leave a like and sub if it did, and I'll see you next time.